How are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a popsicle. So we have to start from here. I will draw a huge U shape. So from here we have to go up, up. Okay, then make a U-turn, and go and go down. Okay, stop. So this is, we have drawn it, and now we have to make these 2 points. We have to make a round shape. Okay, now we have to meet these 2 points as well. Okay, so it's okay. So now it's time to make a stick, from where we hold the popsicle and we enjoy the popsicle. Okay, it's good, it's looking nice. So now we have to draw a face. Okay, you know very well its face is very important while drawing. Okay, smiley face. 1, 2, beautiful eyes, and this one. Okay, the white part, the remaining part we have to black, because we all have the black and some have golden and different colors, but here this popsicle has black. Okay. So now it's time to make a smiley face. Yuppie. Okay, so now but the tongue is outside. Yep, here. But we have drawn a curve. We have to fill the remaining part. Okay, good. So now we have to divide, like we have to make a beautiful design. Okay, so this one and this one as well, one more. And whenever children you find making fast, you can stop and you can make. Okay, so it's ready, but now what isn't here? Okay, color. Like I'm coloring it, and I meet you after color. So yuppie, childrens, our popsicle is ready. So for eating, you can eat, you can take in this in the fridge and freezer, and you can, when it be cool, you can again eat. Okay, so I was kidding. So the thing is that you have to enjoy while drawing. So this is my aim, and so please subscribe my channel for the new videos, and be careful until the new video, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children. Bye bye, take care.